Food safety is a crucial aspect of our daily lives, impacting our health and well-being in ways we often overlook. Every meal we consume carries the potential for both nourishment and risk. In this video, we'll explore the essential principles of food safety, from proper handling and storage to recognizing potential hazards. Whether you're preparing meals at home or dining out, understanding food safety can help prevent foodborne illnesses and ensure that what you eat is safe. Let's start by understanding why food safety matters and how it affects everyone every day. Food safety is not just a concern for restaurants or food manufacturers, it's something that affects all of us. Unsafe food can lead to foodborne illnesses, which can range from mild discomfort to severe health issues. Children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems are especially vulnerable. By practicing good food safety habits, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones from unnecessary health risks. Let's look at some of the most common causes of foodborne illnesses and how simple actions can make a big difference. Foodborne illnesses are caused by consuming contaminated food or beverages. Bacteria, viruses, and parasites are the main culprits behind these illnesses. Some of the most common foodborne pathogens include Salmonella, E. coli, and norovirus. Symptoms can include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and fever. While most cases are mild, some can be life-threatening, especially for high-risk groups. Understanding the sources and symptoms of these illnesses is the first step in prevention. Let's dive deeper into how these pathogens contaminate our food and what we can do to avoid them. Contamination can occur at any stage of the food supply chain, from farm to table. Raw ingredients may already carry harmful bacteria, or food can become contaminated during processing, transportation, or storage. Cross-contamination is another common issue, where bacteria from raw foods like meat or eggs spread to ready-to-eat items. Even improper handling at home can introduce new risks. By being aware of these sources, we can take proactive steps to minimize contamination and keep our food safe. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to prevent foodborne illness is through good personal hygiene. Washing hands thoroughly before and after handling food, especially raw meat, is essential. Clean hands help prevent the transfer of harmful bacteria to food, utensils, and surfaces. It's also important to keep fingernails trimmed and avoid handling food when sick. These small habits can make a significant difference in reducing the risk of contamination in your kitchen. Storing food correctly is vital for maintaining its safety and freshness. Perishable items like meat, dairy, and leftovers should be refrigerated promptly, ideally within 2 hours of cooking or purchasing. Use airtight containers to prevent cross-contamination and keep raw foods separate from ready-to-eat items. Labeling and dating leftovers can help you keep track of how long they've been stored, reducing the risk of consuming spoiled food. Let's explore some best practices for safe food storage at home. Cooking food to the right temperature is key to killing harmful bacteria. Different foods require different internal temperatures to be considered safe. For example, poultry should be cooked to at least 165 degrees F 74 degrees C, while ground meats need to reach 160 degrees F 71 degrees C. Using a food thermometer is the most reliable way to check doneness. Undercooked food can harbor dangerous pathogens, so always ensure your meals are cooked thoroughly before serving. Cross-contamination happens when bacteria from raw foods transfer to cooked or ready-to-eat foods. This can occur through cutting boards, knives, or even your hands. To prevent this, always use separate utensils and cutting boards for raw and cooked foods. Clean surfaces and tools thoroughly after each use. These simple steps can greatly reduce the risk of spreading harmful bacteria in your kitchen. Keeping your kitchen clean is fundamental to food safety. Regularly wash countertops, cutting boards, and utensils with hot soapy water. For extra protection, use a sanitizing solution on surfaces that come into contact with raw foods. Don't forget to clean kitchen sponges and towels frequently, as they can harbor bacteria. A clean kitchen environment helps ensure that your food remains safe from contamination. It's important to recognize the signs of spoiled food to avoid consuming something that could make you sick. Look for changes in color, texture, or smell. Mold, sliminess, or an off odor are clear indicators that food should be discarded. When in doubt, it's always safer to throw it out. Trust your senses and don't take unnecessary risks with questionable food items. Food safety starts at the grocery store. Always check expiration dates and inspect packaging for damage before purchasing. Keep raw meats separate from other groceries in your cart and bags. Shop for perishable items last and get them into your refrigerator as soon as possible. These habits help prevent contamination and ensure the food you bring home is safe to eat. Food labels provide valuable information about the safety and quality of the products you buy. Pay attention to use by and best before dates as well as storage instructions. Labels may also indicate allergens or specific handling requirements. Understanding how to read and interpret food labels can help you make safer choices and reduce the risk of consuming unsafe food. Food allergies can pose serious health risks. It's important to be aware of common allergens such as peanuts, shellfish, and dairy, and to read ingredient lists carefully. Cross-contact where allergens are transferred from one food to another can also be dangerous. If you or someone in your household has a food allergy, take extra precautions to avoid exposure and always have emergency medication available. Preparation is a key step in food safety. Always wash fruits and vegetables under running water before eating or cooking. Use separate cutting boards for raw meats and produce to prevent cross-contamination. Avoid thawing frozen foods at room temperature. Instead, use the refrigerator or microwave. These practices help ensure that the food you prepare is safe to eat. Leftovers can be a convenient way to save time and reduce waste, but they must be handled safely. Cool leftovers quickly and store them in shallow containers. Reheat leftovers to at least 165 degrees F 74 degrees C before eating. Discard any leftovers that have been in the refrigerator for more than 3 to 4 days. These steps help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and keep your meals safe. Water and ice can also be sources of foodborne illness if not handled properly. Always use clean, potable water for cooking and drinking. If you're unsure about the safety of your tap water, boil it or use bottled water. Ice should be made from safe water and stored in clean containers. These precautions help prevent waterborne illnesses and ensure your food and drinks are safe. In dining out, food safety is just as important as at home. Choose restaurants that appear clean and well-maintained. Pay attention to how food is handled and served. If something seems off, such as undercooked meat or lukewarm food, don't hesitate to ask questions or request a replacement. Being vigilant when eating out can help you avoid foodborne illnesses and enjoy your meal with peace of mind. Traveling can expose you to new foods and environments, but it also brings food safety challenges. Drink bottled or purified water in areas where tap water may not be safe. Be cautious with street food and ensure it's cooked thoroughly. Wash your hands frequently and carry hand sanitizer. These simple habits can help you enjoy your travels without falling ill from unsafe food or water. Certain groups such as young children, pregnant women, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems are at higher risk for foodborne illnesses. It's important to take extra precautions when preparing food for these individuals. Avoid serving raw or undercooked meats, eggs, and seafood. Ensure all food is cooked and stored properly. By being mindful of these risks, you can help protect the most vulnerable members of your family. Pregnant women need to be especially cautious with food safety, as certain infections can harm both mother and baby. Avoid unpasteurized dairy products, deli meats, and raw seafood. Always wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly and cook all meats to safe temperatures. These steps help reduce the risk of listeria and other harmful bacteria during pregnancy. Children are more susceptible to foodborne illnesses due to their developing immune systems. Always serve age-appropriate foods and avoid items that pose choking hazards. Make sure all food is cooked thoroughly and stored safely. Teach children the importance of hand washing before meals to instill good food safety habits from a young age. As we age, our immune systems weaken, making older adults more vulnerable to foodborne illnesses. It's important to avoid high-risk foods like raw eggs, undercooked meats, and unpasteurized dairy. Store and reheat leftovers properly and always check expiration dates. Taking these precautions helps ensure that meals are both nutritious and safe for seniors. Parties and large gatherings can increase the risk of foodborne illness due to the volume of food and the number of people involved. Keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold, and avoid leaving perishable items out for more than 2 hours. Use serving utensils to prevent guests from touching food directly. These practices help keep everyone safe and healthy during celebrations. During emergencies like power outages or natural disasters, food safety becomes even more critical. Keep refrigerator and freezer doors closed to maintain cold temperatures. Discard perishable foods that have been above 40 degrees F 4 degrees C for more than 2 hours. Have a supply of non-perishable foods and bottled water on hand. These steps can help you stay safe when normal routines are disrupted. Food recalls happen when products are found to be unsafe due to contamination or mislabeling. Stay informed by checking news sources or government websites for recall alerts. If you have a recalled product, follow instructions for disposal or return. Being aware of recalls helps you avoid consuming potentially dangerous foods. With the rise of food delivery services, it's important to ensure that delivered food is safe. Check that hot foods are hot and cold foods are cold upon arrival. Consume delivered food promptly or store it properly if you're not eating right away. Report any issues with food safety to the delivery service. These habits help you enjoy convenient meals without compromising your health. Technology is playing an increasing role in food safety. From smart refrigerators that monitor temperatures to apps that track expiration dates, these innovations help us manage food more safely. Some devices can even detect spoilage or contamination. Embracing technology can make it easier to maintain high food safety standards at home. Food safety starts long before food reaches our tables. Farmers, processors, and manufacturers all play a role in ensuring that food is safe. This includes using clean water, proper sanitation, and safe handling practices throughout the supply chain. Understanding the journey of food from farm to fork highlights the importance of food safety at every stage. Governments play a vital role in food safety by setting standards, conducting inspections, and enforcing regulations. Agencies monitor food production, processing, and distribution to ensure compliance with safety guidelines. Public health campaigns also educate consumers about safe food practices. These efforts work together to protect the public from foodborne illnesses. Food safety standards are guidelines designed to ensure that food is safe for consumption. These standards cover everything from production and processing to packaging and labeling. Compliance with these standards helps prevent contamination and ensures that food products meet quality and safety requirements. Understanding these standards can help consumers make informed choices. Many food businesses obtain certifications to demonstrate their commitment to food safety. Certifications like HACCP, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, and ISO 22000 set rigorous standards for food safety management. These certifications require regular audits and adherence to best practices, giving consumers confidence in the safety of the food they purchase. Proper training is essential for anyone involved in food preparation or handling. Food safety training covers topics like personal hygiene, safe cooking temperatures, and cleaning procedures. Many workplaces require staff to complete certified training programs to ensure they understand and follow food safety protocols. Ongoing education helps maintain high standards and reduces the risk of foodborne illness. Most cases of foodborne illness originate at home due to improper handling, storage, or cooking. By following basic food safety guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk. Keep your kitchen clean, store foods at the right temperature, and cook meals thoroughly. These everyday habits are your first line of defense against foodborne illness. There are many myths about food safety, such as believing that smelling food is enough to determine if it's safe or that reheating food always kills bacteria. In reality, some bacteria produce toxins that are not destroyed by heat, and not all spoiled food smells bad. Understanding the facts helps you make safer choices and avoid common mistakes. Organic foods are grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, but they are not immune to food safety risks. Organic produce can still be contaminated by bacteria or handled improperly. Always wash organic fruits and vegetables and follow the same safety guidelines as with conventional foods to reduce the risk of illness. Food safety and nutrition go hand in hand. Safe food retains its nutritional value and supports good health, while unsafe food can cause illness and nutrient loss. By practicing food safety, you not only protect yourself from harm but also ensure that your meals provide the nourishment your body needs. Practicing food safety can help reduce food waste. By storing food properly and using leftovers safely, you can extend the shelf life of your groceries and avoid unnecessary waste. Planning meals and understanding expiration dates also play a role in minimizing waste while keeping your food safe to eat. Sustainable food practices often go hand in hand with food safety. Choosing locally sourced foods, reducing waste, and supporting responsible producers can help ensure that food is both safe and environmentally friendly. By being mindful of where your food comes from and how it's handled, you contribute to a safer and more sustainable food system. Globalization has expanded our access to a wide variety of foods from around the world, but it also brings new food safety challenges. Foods may travel long distances and pass through multiple handlers before reaching your table. Understanding the global food supply chain and the importance of international safety standards can help you make informed choices. New food safety challenges continue to emerge, from antibiotic-resistant bacteria to novel food products and changing consumer habits. Staying informed about these issues and adapting your food safety practices is important for protecting your health. Ongoing research and innovation are key to addressing these evolving risks. Food safety and food security are closely linked. Safe food is essential for a healthy population, while food security ensures that everyone has access to enough nutritious food. Addressing both issues together helps build resilient communities and supports overall well-being. As technology advances and our food systems evolve, the future of food safety will rely on innovation, education, and global cooperation. New tools and strategies will help us detect and prevent contamination more effectively. By staying informed and embracing change, we can continue to protect our health and enjoy safe, delicious meals. Let's recap the most important points about food safety. Always practice good hygiene, store and cook food properly, and stay informed about potential risks. Remember to check labels, avoid cross-contamination, and be cautious with leftovers. By following these guidelines, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from foodborne illnesses and enjoy meals with confidence. Building strong food safety habits takes time and consistency. Encourage everyone in your household to participate in safe food practices, from washing hands to checking expiration dates. Make food safety a regular part of your routine and share your knowledge with friends and family. Together, we can create a culture of safety and well-being around the food we eat. Food safety is an ongoing responsibility that benefits everyone. By staying vigilant, practicing safe habits, and keeping up with the latest information, you can enjoy delicious meals without worry. Remember, every step you take towards safer food handling contributes to a healthier, happier life for you and those around you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better food safety.